Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really glad you're here with us tonight. If you're listening because you can't sleep, I hope this brings you comfort.
And I'm Sam. And if your mind feels too loud right now, just stay with us. We made this episode gentle on purpose. Tonight is for soft breathing, slow thoughts, and feeling less alone.
Nights are interesting. During the day, we stay busy. But at night, everything becomes quiet, and suddenly our minds become louder. It's like all the thoughts we ignored finally sit beside us.
Yes, nighttime feels like a big room filled with tiny memories. Some are warm, some are heavy, and some are confusing. And that makes sleep hard.
Listener, maybe you're lying in bed right now. Maybe your room is dark and still. Maybe your phone is the only light near you.
And maybe you're turning on this episode because you just want to feel understood. If that's true, you're in the right place.
We all have nights like this, nights where sleep feels far away.
Yes, nights where your body is tired, but your mind refuses to rest. It's a strange feeling, like your thoughts are walking in circles.
And the more you try to sleep, the harder it becomes. Sam, do you remember your last sleepless night?
Oh yes, I kept thinking about an unfinished message, a small mistake I made, and random memories from 5 years ago. My mind felt like a movie playing nonstop.
That's relatable. Our minds love watching old movies at 2 a.m. Sometimes when I can't sleep, I feel restless. I change pillows, I change positions, I close my eyes tighter, but nothing helps.
I do the same. It's almost funny how we try to force sleep. But sleep is gentle. It doesn't respond to pressure.
Listener, maybe you're carrying some stress today.
Maybe someone spoke to you harshly. Maybe you're thinking about tomorrow. Or maybe you're just tired in a way sleep can't fix immediately.
All of that is valid. Nights have a way of opening all the drawers in our mind.
Yes, suddenly you remember something embarrassing from years ago, or you imagine conversations that never happened, or you worry about things you can't control.
And your heart feels heavier. But here's something gentle to remember. You're not the only one awake.
Millions of people are staring at their ceilings tonight. Some are sad, some are anxious, some are lonely, and some are just overthinking.
When I can't sleep, I sometimes sit near the window. I watch the empty streets or the quiet sky. It reminds me that the world slows down at night.
I do that too. There's something calming about seeing the world asleep, even if you're not asleep yet.
Listener, maybe you're trying to silence your thoughts.
But it's okay to listen to them gently. Thoughts are just visitors. They come and go. You don't have to fight them.
Fighting makes them louder. Sam, do you ever talk to yourself at night?
I do, quietly. I say things like, "It's okay," or "You can rest." It feels like giving myself a small hug.
That's a beautiful habit. Sometimes we stay awake because we feel lonely.
Yes, nighttime amplifies loneliness. Even the smallest silence feels deeper.
But you're not truly alone. You have your breath, your body, and this moment. Listener, place one hand on your chest for a second. Feel your breath rising and falling. That's your body taking care of you, even on sleepless nights.
Your body doesn't hate you. It's trying its best, even when you feel restless.
Do you know what else keeps us awake?
Memories, both the sweet ones and the painful ones. They come quietly, but feel loud.
Memories love midnight. And then there are the what ifs.
What if I fail? What if tomorrow is difficult? Or what if I said something wrong? These questions are heavy.
But nighttime thoughts are not always true thoughts. Listener, maybe your mind is replaying something from the day.
Maybe someone's words hurt you. Maybe you felt misunderstood. Maybe you didn't finish something you wanted to.
It's okay. Nighttime doesn't need solutions.
I always remind myself something simple. I don't have to fix everything tonight.
Yes, problems look bigger at night, but the morning makes them smaller.
Morning light heals more than we think.
One thing that helps me is imagining a soft blanket around my thoughts.
That's such a Sarah thing to say, but it's true. Your thoughts become gentler when you treat them kindly.
Kindness works even inside your mind. Listener, maybe your pillow feels too warm or your room feels too quiet.
Maybe your heart feels heavy, and that's why sleep is far away. These feelings are real, and they deserve softness.
You deserve softness. Sam, what do you do when your mind won't calm down?
I breathe slowly, I put my phone far away, and I imagine a peaceful place, like a quiet beach or a warm room.
Visualization has magic. Sometimes I imagine my thoughts floating away like small balloons.
That's beautiful. Mine float away like tiny paper boats on a calm river.
Whatever works for your heart. Listener, maybe you're worrying about tomorrow.
But tomorrow hasn't arrived yet. You don't have to carry it early.
Let tomorrow handle itself. Some people can't sleep because of overthinking.
Some because of sadness.
Some because of hope.
And some because their heart is simply too full.
Nights like these don't make you weak.
They make you human.
A soft, feeling, thinking human. If your eyes feel tired but your mind feels awake, breathe with us.
In and out, slowly.
Let your shoulders drop. Listener, you don't have to fix your life tonight.
You just have to rest your mind a little. Not sleep, just rest.
Resting is enough for now. Your room may feel small right now.
But your world is not small. You are connected to everything, even to us right now.
And connection brings calmness. Nights like these pass.
Maybe not quickly, but they do pass.
And morning will come with softer thoughts.
Before we end, I want to say this to you. You are allowed to rest, even if your day was messy, even if your mind is noisy.
And sleep will come naturally when your heart feels safe again. Listener, thank you for spending this quiet moment with us.
We hope your mind feels a little lighter now.
And if sleep still feels far away, that's okay. Just stay gentle with yourself.
Both. Good night, dear listener.